Hi there everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool 16.4 set of string of LED lights. Inside this box, you actually get everything that you need. It comes with the instruction manual here, shows you how to download the app because this can be controlled from an app from your phone or from the provided remote, which is really nice. It's got everything labeled out on here, all the colors, and does come with a little tab to pull. Batteries already included, which is really great there. It does come with the actual power plug here. Some mounting hardware if you wanted to mount this onto a wall. It has little tiny screws with clips that you can use if you're going to clip that onto a wall. And then it also does come with your actual set of lights, which is a nice thick set of LED lights. Again, this is 16.4 feet, so we're going to go and undo this. Really cool, thick LED light rope, red, green, blue light. Let's go get this mounted up and show you how it looks. So you've got a couple of different ways that you can operate this. Is one, using the remote. So you've got a lot of different preset settings on here that you can easily point this at this eye, photo eye on this, and actually change the colors to whatever color or design that you want. You can also have it jump, go slow down, a lot of different settings on this. Or you can use Lotus Lantern, the app that they have you scan when you're in there. When it connects through Bluetooth, you then have access to come in here and change this to any different color along this entire scroll wheel. So you can pick any different color you want, but you want to have like a purple color, we can set it on there. Or you have a lot of other different styles. You can do this with music, have it work to the beat, a lot of different options on the app. So again, just by simply clicking where you want to have the color, it can easily do that. So now to get this thing mounted, we're just going to go ahead and run this along the bottom edge of our bar here in the kitchen. So we're just going to simply lay this out. This is very flexible, but it can also be a rigid design if you want to go ahead and connect this in. And we're going to go ahead and run this around down through here and just tuck this back along there, and then we'll show you how it looks with the lights off. So now we've got it down here along the bottom edge of the bar and kind of show you a couple of different things on here. It does have some brightness levels you can easily adjust using the remote. So it does have, you can brighten it up or take it down. You can change the different colors as we've shown before to any different particular color that works with your room choice. And then you also have the ability to do some fades and some jumps to where you can have it do a little bit of tracking. You can have it go to the music, have it go to that. And it also has a timer function on here that allows it to 4 hours worth of a timer by clicking a button so it'll stay on for a certain length of time. And then it will change off as well. So that has a lot of different versatility. Really liking the fact this is nice rigid design. It does come with that mounting hardware, so if you want to make it more permanent, it's very easy to do.